Hi, family. Um, gonna voice over in this video also. Still a lot of noise around the area where I work. I'm gonna work on a 10 by 20. Again, this is a second idea I have for the big panel 42 by 48 that I'm working on. If you see, I pour or put in the cup a bunch of white. That's the white that I use for the cloud effect, but that's the one that I use with a flotterol. And I added 4 drops of silicone to that one, following what I teach you in a previous video, where none of my paints have silicone. But if I'm looking for cells, I only apply silicone to the first paint that I pour on the cup. After that, you saw me putting dark blue, violet. Now I am pouring the red, and I'm gonna be putting that yellow. That's from Pebeo or Pibio or Pebeo. I don't know. I'm saying it in Spanish because I don't know. Maybe it's Pibio. I got no idea. Anyway, I almost fill that cup to the top. And again, you're gonna see me following what I teach you before. That last layer of white does not contain any silicone. The only silicone is in that first layer I put down in the cup. Then I'm gonna flip that over, and I'm gonna wait. To make the video faster, I didn't wait that long, but I wait like 2 or 3 minutes for the paint to go to the bottom of the cup. Then I pinch it and let it travel. I help it a little. The canvas already had white Artist Love paint with flotterol in the background, a little thing. So I travel with the cup a little. Now, you're gonna see, and I think this time I'm gonna leave it the way it is so that you guys understand what's going on, how this works. You have to leave that paint there. You have to leave it, do its thing. Okay? Cells are not going to develop immediately. I normally help them, after maybe a minute with the torch. Even after that, I wait a little more before starting to move the paint, because I want those cells as round as possible. And if you start moving it before that, then you're gonna have a lot of cells, but they're gonna be all, distorted. Meanwhile, I'm working on a little more paint on the same cup I was using, because I wanted to kick it a notch. I just don't want only cells. So I was not sure. Now I am, but in the beginning I was not sure if I was gonna do like a ring pour or something. But then I decided, nah, let me just do a few ribbons. That will make it look interesting, and that's what I did. So now you see, I am torching now to provoke more cell action, okay? And it's a process. You have to wait. You have to be relaxed. You have to, don't start moving it immediately, because then you lose the beauty of the cells, Good opportunity. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Hit the bell to get notifications. In the description box, you will also find the PayPal like donation if you want to help with you want to sponsor the channel. That also, it's available there. There's the link for the radacrylic.com webpage. So there you have it. Now I already did the ribbons or at least the first ribbons, before moving the piece. Still waiting, and this is done on purpose so that you feel how it's done. And very soon I will begin tilting until I get the desired finish. I started very slow, seeing where I want to go first. I finally decided to go to the right. And I visit all four corners, like you normally do. That's why I'm using the spinner today, because I knew I was gonna be moving things around. And if you see, I'm still using the same wrap paper, collecting all the ink in only one before changing it. So I am very satisfied, but again, I think I may use the rest of the paint that I have in the cup and add more lines or ribbons. And here we go. I found a couple of spots that are very good to add these lines. Yeah. And there they go. At the end of the video, I will also include the way that you can subscribe in order to participate in the draw that I will be doing very soon, maybe in the next couple of weeks, for 3 paintings. That's, say, a way of saying thanks for reaching the 500 goal that I put myself. Now I'm already starting to think what to do on my second goal, which is the 1,000. So if I'm giving 3 paints now, we'll see what happens when I reach 1,000. So probably I will be doing an auction very soon too, because I have many paintings that are good candidates for an auction. So as you see, I kept adding those lines or ribbons. So here's the close-up look. It's amazing. It's unbelievable. It's so beautiful. So I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. Share, subscribe, and blessings. Hi family, this is a very short video showing you the paints that I'm gonna be giving away to celebrate the 500 subscriber in YouTube. It's a 10 by 20 that was done with a 3 cup in 1 cup, a dirty pour, and these two beauties here with the bottle bottom pour. In order to get subscribed for that drawing, you have to go to radacrylic.com. That's my website where I sell all my paintings. And there's a section there that you can send me a message, right? And as soon as I receive that, I will be including you in the drawing. It's gonna be taking place now in the month of April. The exact date will be given away very soon. So get involved. Just send me a note and I will include you. All right? Thank you very much for your subscriptions and keep on watching. More to come. Take care.